This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Give it up for the notification squad. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want a chance to be featured, make sure you hit that notification bell and come show your girl some love when I drop a new video. And today's featured comment goes to Jolise. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out the acrylic nail kit from Wish. And as you see, this comes with a lot of stuff, and this was only $19. So it does come with instructions, but this is for their gel kit, and I got the acrylic kit. So they sent the wrong instructions, and they also sent this UV gel primer, which I don't need either because this is acrylic. But anyway, let me show you what this kit comes with. So you get acrylic liquid, brush cleaner and nail polish remover, UV gel primer, which I don't need, more color acrylic, manicure sticks, a buffing block, acrylic brushes, nail tips, nail files, manicure brush, nail art wheels, dampen dish, practice finger, that looks kind of creepy, nail forms, acetone pads, nail pads, 6 glitters that have spilled all in the bag, small dispensing bottle. So I want to do tips for this nail design, but I hate white tips. So I'm going to be using my favorite nail tips, and these are the BU long stiletto tips, and these are in clear, and I picked these up from Amazon. And I'll be gluing on the tips using the IBD brush on glue. So once I have all of the tips on, I'm going to trim them down, and we're going to do a little bit longer this time. I'm also going to switch up the shape to a stiletto, so I just file each side back and forth until I get the nice point that I like. So this is after the tips are shaped to my liking. And now we're going to open up the acrylic powders. So that white is looking kind of chalky there. These are the 3 colors. You got white, clear, and pink. I think I'm going to stick with the clear and pink for this one. So this is what the monomer looks like. And I do like that it has this cap that prevents it from spilling. So I'm just going to pour some of that into the dampened dish. And I also want to use some of these pink leaf type looking things. I think these are Fimo slices, which is really thinly sliced clay pieces. And then I'm also going to use this beautiful pink glitter. You guys know I love pink. So because this set did not come with primer or dehydrator, I will be using my own. And these 2 are from Gelish, so I will leave the links down below. So first I apply dehydrator, and I'm just going to apply that to my natural nails. And then I go in with the primer. Alright, so I'm starting off with that pink acrylic, and the first bead, oh my god, this stuff sets immediately. So it was a little hard. I had to work so fast and kind of smush this out. So I wanted to do like a glitter ombre tip. So I dipped my acrylic brush into the clear powder and then into the glitter. And that is how I'm picking that up. And I'm working in small beads because this acrylic sets so fast, like, oh my god. So yeah, I'm working in small beads and I have to work super fast. So this is pretty much how I did my nails when I first started. I used to work with really small beads of acrylic and just build up from there. But with this stuff, you guys have to be so fast because it will harden up on you and then you won't be able to move it or do anything. So once I have the glitter down the way that I like, I'm just going to use that clear acrylic and we're going to encapsulate, which means we're just basically covering up the glitter with clear so we can file it and shape it without the glitter coming off. I work pretty slow overall, so I don't like to work with fast setting stuff. And this stuff is super fast setting, but I mean, what can you expect? It was only $19 for all this stuff, so yeah. But the monomer is pretty strong. It's really strong actually. If you are very sensitive to like the monomer scent, you definitely want to be by a window or outside when you use this stuff because it is really loud. So I'm just repeating the same thing I did for my pinky nail. I'm going in with that pink acrylic on my nail bed, and it's a very sheer pink, so it just gives you like a little tint to your nails. So I like to use that for my nail bed area just to brighten that up a bit. And as I move on to each finger, I'm getting more used to how this acrylic system works. And it works best when you use really tiny beads and you just kind of build up. And then I'm going back in with the glitter on the tip of the nail. So the brush that I'm using did come with the kit, and it is a number 8. And it is pretty decent quality. I am really shocked because most of these brushes that come with these cheap kits, they harden up on you instantly, and this one stayed soft, so that is a plus. Alright, so for my middle finger, I'm going to do the same thing with putting that pink on my nail bed area. And then taking a bit of clear, I'm going to use that to press on one of these little pink leaf looking things. I wasn't really sure where I was going. This was all kind of just freestyling. So then I go in with some more glitter and placing that on the nail and trying to do like a little swoop or something with it. So once I'm done placing all of the glitter, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate everything with the clear acrylic. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic is laid, and I like how it came out. So this is all of the clear that is left. I ran through this clear acrylic, so keep that in mind. You really don't get that much. So after all of the nails have completely set, I'm just gonna go in with my shaping and filing. So the files that come with this kit are for like your natural nails. They are pointless when you're trying to file nail extensions, especially acrylic, because this is like the hardest thing to file. So I had to switch over to my tried and true black rectangle file, and I will leave a link down below to these if you guys are interested. So this is after my nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And I'm going to be adding some jewels. So I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. I prefer gel top coat over a regular top coat because it's shinier and it lasts longer. But you do not have to use gel polish if you don't want to. Regular polish is just fine. So I'm applying the gel top coat, and as you can see, that glitter is coming to life. These nails are so cute, and it has been a minute since I've done some stiletto shaped nails. So before I cure the gel top coat, I'm just going to place that stone in the center of my flower, and I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. After curing, I'm applying cuticle oil, and this is the finished look. Although this kit was a bit difficult to get used to as far as the acrylic and stuff, I think these turned out really well. I love how the glitter shimmers, and this is an okay kit. It comes with everything you need to do your nails. So if you guys are looking for a cheap acrylic kit just to practice with, I think this isn't that bad. The acrylic could be higher quality though, really.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.